Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing really good. My name is Shantini and I create videos on beauty, travel and lifestyle. So today's is another review video and I am going to review the Indulge Essentials Brow Grow. I'm going to tell you all about my experience that I have had with this particular product. Of course, I have the base makeup on, but then I deliberately chose to keep my eyebrows as is. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the ingredients that this product has. The ingredients are listed in the box itself and I'm going to just read it out to you. Sunflower seed oil, beeswax, organic coconut oil, vitamin E, calendula flower extract, onion bulb extract, peppermint leaf oil, spearmint leaf oil, rosemary leaf extract, sacha ichi seed oil, thyme oil. So all the ingredients that are mentioned in the box are good for your hair and skin. It prevents breakage, it treats thinning of hair. I'll give you a little more insight into the ingredients. Like sunflower oil is both good for skin and hair, and it prevents baldness and thinning of hair. It prevents breakage and gives you deep conditioning. Beeswax is also antibacterial and contains a lot of vitamin A that gives nourishment to your hair shaft. It also promotes hair growth and might help people who have dead skin cells underneath their eyebrows. Like I have personally faced this issue because I had dead skin cells underneath my eyebrows because I was using too much of oil and products on my eyebrows. So it was kind of not helping me. Instead, it was giving me flaky skin under my eyebrows. So I think this particular ingredient can help you with that. There's also coconut oil. Now we all know how much coconut oil is useful for giving nourishment to the hair. Now, vitamin E also gives a lot of nourishment to the eyebrows and also prevents breakage or eyebrow fallout. Like I personally have a huge issue of eyebrow fallout, like they would grow one day and the other day they would fall out. So I have been trying since a very long time, but nothing is really strong enough to hold my eyebrows in place. Also, calendula flower extract helps your skin heal faster and prevents hair fall and promotes hair growth. So all the ingredients that are found in this particular product are organic and good for your skin and hair, but do they all kind of work together to get you better eyebrows and make your eyebrows thicker? We will find out in a while. So the label particularly has it all. The label says it's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it has pure oils, it is not tested on animals, non carcinogenic, no mineral oils, and has no fragrance. It's handmade and freshly made. It is also certified by the Ministry of Ayush. Now, coming back to the product and my experience with it, the packaging is quite sturdy, the box is quite sturdy, and it comes with in a tub with two spoolies, which is also very helpful because then you don't have to scoop out the product with your fingers, which is really nice. Let me also tell you a few things about the brand. Indulge Essentials creates products out of natural essential oil blends for people of all age groups. Their products, as they claim, are free from harmful toxins to give you an ultimate organic experience. It smells a lot like black seed oil and retails for rupees 810, which I think is more on the pricier side for a 200 grams eyebrow only product. The instructions were to leave it overnight, so I did, and nothing about using it in the lashes, so I didn't. It is best to do a patch test before use because all the ingredients are organic and it might be allergic to few people. The texture is thick and oily and slightly sticky, but it won't melt during the summer or become runny. Now let's talk about the claims that this product makes. Get ready for the brows of your dreams with Brow Grow. Brow Grow is the all-in-one solution for overnight nourishment and an unparalleled dose of essential nutrition to your. This product helps stimulate growth in sparse areas, adds fullness and prevents breakage. The gentle and natural ingredients make it suitable for sensitive skin and also help your brows grow naturally, thick and healthy. Brow Grow is a one box formula catering to all your brow needs with minimal effort. Experience beautiful arches with Brow Grow. How to use: pick the product on the spoolie, apply the product by combing through the eyebrows in direction so that the product goes deeper into the roots. Combing also increases blood circulation, leading to hair growth. Leave it overnight. I kind of agree with what is written in the how to use section. Combing does increase blood circulation and it's very good for hair growth. Now, coming to my experience with the product, I do believe that this product has successfully provided nourishment to the brows, because as I told you already, I was having flaky skin under my eyebrows and that problem has been addressed. Other than that, I do not think that this particular product has helped with any kind of hair growth in my eyebrows. I have not noticed any visible changes. So once I'm using something, my eyebrows will grow and they look fuller and they look thicker. But once I stop using something, it will fall out again. So I have this issue and this issue has not been addressed. So I wouldn't vouch for this product giving you thicker and fuller eyebrows. So something that I realized while trying out pretty much everything on my eyebrows to foster growth is that for people who have very scanty eyebrows, it is mandatory to keep using something or the other that can keep fostering that growth. Otherwise, you might get thick eyebrows for a few days and then it might just go back to what it used to be. So this is a very important point that I wanted to make. This product could be particularly useful to people who have thick eyebrows and want to keep their eyebrows in place before makeup or anything of that sort. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.